What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can see or check your transaction history on the Taptap Send app. So let's get started. So to see your transfer history, you would just need to go from the homepage to the account tab right here in the bottom right. Now once you're on your account tab, to see your transaction history, all you would need to do is just tap on account right here. Now here on this account tab, you will be able to see some more information about your Taptap Send account. So to see your transaction history, or in this case your transfer history, you would just need to send the transfer history document to your email account. So this will be the email that is associated with your Taptap Send account. So just go ahead and tap send right here. And then you would just need to check your inbox for that email. So let's go ahead and quickly do that. Now here is that email from Taptap Send for our transaction history. So all you would need to do is just scroll down to the bottom of the email to check your transaction history. And here it is. So all you would need to do is just tap on this, and then you will be able to see all the transaction history that was made on your account. So essentially guys, that's how you can see or check your transaction history. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.